Okay, I hope you hear me alright. I'm back again for hopefully what will be the last bit of this GSX exhaust. As you can see from the last clip, I've added these bits in here now. They're not on, but you know they're tacked in good. To be honest with you, this job's been dragging on and on. I've had too many breaks off it doing other things, and it's just doing me head in now. I just want to get it finished. In all honesty, tonight I should have been making an axle for that big wheel exhaust there for a mate of mine. But the piece of metal I ordered before Christmas that came yesterday or the day before has come in the wrong size. They sent me 25mm instead of 28mm. So I've got to reorder that or go down the docks tomorrow and get another piece. But yeah, for now, I'm going to cut lumps off this because I don't think it's a very interesting video now. It's just gone on too long. This side's pretty much spot on, just needs a little bit of a tweak. We need to put a couple of riv nuts in the frame here to secure it. That's near the end of there. And I just need to fill this little gap in here. I had to go doing that before in the last bit, but it didn't work out, so I'm just going to redo that. And then we're just going to call that a job for the exhaust. The next bit is going to be on to painting a new engine, swapping out this old engine and getting it refreshed, because I want to do about 1,000 miles on this in a month or so's time. Yeah, so I'll take you along for this bit and we'll just get it finished off. Okay, I hope you see this madness alright. I've made this little filler piece out of one of the offcuts of pipe here. As you can see, that kind of fits in there okay. I've already done a fair bit of shaping to it, but it's got more angles and more shapes than the queue outside the lobster pot on a Saturday night. So I'm just going to tack it in on the top and bottom and then just pinch it in to finish the welding off. So I'll go ahead and do that now, and then that should see, I think, the this pipe done, and then we can get on to polishing and new engines and more interesting stuff. Got a decent size hole there to fill, but at this point I'm not worried. I'll beat that bit in a bit and we're ready. Okay, so as promised, I'll wrap it up on this bit of Suzuki exhaust for now. I've got those pieces in there now. I've still got to weld up this pipe, but that's like a 5-minute job. Hopefully for the next video I'll find something a little bit more interesting for you to have a look at. For example, like I said before, we got this swing arm here that is for a mate of mine. It's got a big, I don't know what size wheel that is, 250 or something. It's got a big wheel going on the back anyway. It's made by one of the brothers in Ireland. Very nice job, if I don't mind saying. But yeah, we haven't got an axle for it, so I'm going to be getting on the lathe and making an axle as soon as I've picked up a few more bits of metal to get the job done right. I'll mount this exhaust later. I don't think that needs filming, but yeah, I'll try and make some more interesting content for you. Get all this cleaned off, get the new engine fitted, and hopefully about 3 or 4 weeks from now we'll be sending it down the road, see what it does again. Cheers, thanks again, keep between the ditches.